Away they go. Final judgment from the outside. Biba bola down on the inside, rising up spinal impact. Under further outside, JST by Drelch Maglev. Final judgment, Biba bola. Final impact is on the outside. JST running in forward by about 2 lengths. Maglev is running in fifth by Drel, and entry number 5, Scud Missile, is running at the tail of the field. And nearing the far turn, final judgment. And on the outside is final impact. Biba bola is racing in third. JST on the outside, and Maglev. And at the far turn, final judgment, final impact, Biba bola. And together with JST, Maglev, Scud Missile, as they swing for home, final judgment. And on the outside is final impact. Biba bola. On the further outside is JST. Final judgment. Biba bola is on the outside. Final judgment, and Biba bola is on the outside. Moves up. It's now Biba bola. Final judgment, Maglev. And finally, Biba bola. Final judgment, bagging the second spot. Maglev salvaging third.